How to avoid suspicious retail stores using Trustpilot before sourcing for Amazon. Alright, let's say you find a site with a crazy deal, 80% off Nike hoodies. Sounds like a good deal, right? But before you hit add to cart, do this first. Go to trustpilot.com, type in the name of the site, and check the reviews. If people are saying stuff like never got my order or no customer service, bounce. Don't risk your Amazon account over shady sourcing. Anything under 3 stars is a big red flag. And if you want to know which sites are actually legit, which ones other sellers use, and how to source safely and profitably, join the OA Challenge. It's a 14-day step-by-step program that shows you where to buy, what to flip, and how to avoid mistakes like this. Hit the link in the description and get started with the next challenge. Let's do this smart.